Welcome! This tutorial is based on stepped slab waterproofing. It's important to note, steps in slab are often incorporated within ground level structures. And as per previous videos, ground level slabs are not governed by BS 8102 2022. However, a step in slab will inevitably need waterproofing. Therefore, we must be complying to the standard requirements for a grade 1A, 1B, 2 or 3 environment within that space. Depending on which building warranty provider you're working with, there may be different requirements for steps in slab greater than 600mm or greater than 150mm. The aim of this tutorial is to increase your understanding around the key considerations for detailing, as well as increasing your knowledge of the functionality of the layers within the PDF. So firstly, we shall assume that Hydrocrete watertight concrete will be needed within this stepped slab zone. We're going to turn on the layer for the Hydrocrete. As you can see, there is a 1 metre addition of Hydrocrete to the upper level slab. This is to ensure that we do have a minimum of 200mm at the front face of the retained element. 1 metre section is a standard detail that gets applied across all watertight concrete interfaces, where there is not the ability to restrain the concrete pour. Secondly, I would like to point your attention to the extent of the waterproofing on the lower level slab. A standard principle is that the waterproofing should extend 1 metre beyond the zone of retained concrete. So let's assume the retained area is 3 metres into the lower level slab. The waterproofing should extend 4 metres. In the instance we're forming a grade 3 basement structure or stepped slab zone, then we should be incorporating 2 forms of protection. In this instance, we're going to show a pre-applied membrane being installed to the retained element. We're going to turn on the Maxim Proof Plus and DPM layer of this drawing. As you can see, the Maxim Proof Plus will mirror the extent of the watertight concrete and demonstrating 1 metre overlaps with the proprietary DPM under the slabs. It's also important on these areas that the pre-applied membrane has suitable protection. Therefore, we can turn on the Hydroflow HM8 layer. This is a drainage membrane, which firstly protects the pre-applied membrane during the backfill process, but it also provides a drainage medium, which is always good practice wherever possible to incorporate in these interfaces. We trust this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.